Hey everyone, Namaste, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a simple meal prep for a week using budget friendly ingredients, turning them into 4 easy recipes. From pancake mix and soya chunks to biscuit brownie, atta dal dough, tomato puree cubes, this is all about making your week easier in the kitchen. Let's get started. This week I'm going to make 4 recipes from soya chunks. So I have taken 5 to 6 cups of soya chunks in a bowl. We'll add hot water to it and allow it to soak for half an hour. Now I'll keep the bowl aside. I'll take my food processor. You can also use a mixer. Let's prepare the pancake mix. In the mixie jar, I am going to add in 2 cups of whole wheat flour, atta, 1 cup oats, 1/4 cup jaggery powder, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Blend them all well and then we'll transfer it in a airtight container. This is a healthy recipe. In the mornings, you just have to take a bowl, add in 1 cup of the flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoon oil, 1/4 cup of milk. Just mix them well and our batter is ready. 1 cup of flour. This mixture will make 4 pancakes. And now I'll share a spread which both my kids love it. Chocolate spread. So let's make it. I have taken half cup of condensed milk. To it I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix them well and the spread is ready. Keep it in the fridge. Whenever you make pancakes, just spread them on the top. Kids will love it. For the next prep, I'm going to use all the broken biscuits I have in the container. This recipe requires 1 packet of biscuits. I'm using top biscuits, 1/4 cup of walnuts. Now we'll grind them all well. Add 1/4 cup of jaggery powder, 3/4 cup of peanut butter. I've also added 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of milk, and now we're going to blend them all well. You have taken a rectangular dish. We'll place a parchment paper and now transfer the dough in it. We'll pat it with the back of a cup to spread the mixture evenly. Keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Now I'm going to transfer some chunks in a container and I'll be using to prepare pulao for the coming week. We'll squeeze the water and keep. In the jar, I'm going to add in vegetables. You can take veggies of your choice. You have taken cabbage, capsicum, carrot, and I'll add in small portions of soya chunks. Grind them well and then slowly add in the rest. And I'm going to make a mixture of it. And now I'm going to transfer them in a big bowl. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste. We'll mix them all well. I'm going to take some portion of it and keep it in a bowl. I'll be using them for wraps in the mornings. Add 1/4 cup sattu atta, 1/4 cup oats flour. Mix them well and later I'm going to add in 1 cup of besan. This mixture I'm going to divide into two portions. I'm going to make some koftas of it, and other portion I'm going to use it as kebabs. We'll make them and keep it in the fridge, which I'll be using later in the week. I've taken some suji in a plate, and now I'm going to make the kebabs, pat them on the suji mixture and keep it on the plate. Once they are all ready, I'll keep them in the freezer. I have some suji left, so I'm just going to roll the koftas also in it. So with soya chunks this week, I'm going to prepare 4 dishes: pulao, wraps, koftas and kebabs. And this kofta dish turned out so delicious. Once the koftas are ready, keep it aside, heat oil in a pan, add in veggies. Here I have taken onion, capsicum and tomatoes, deseeded them, few green chilies. We'll fry them for a minute, add in black pepper powder, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, half cup water. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with water. I am going to add into the mixture to get the desired consistency. Now add in the koftas and sprinkle roasted sesame seeds. And here we have a healthy and delicious recipe ready. A must-try recipe. In a bowl, I have taken equal quantity of tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. Mix them well and we have a spread ready. Take a paratha, spread the mixture, and now in this I'm going to add in the mixture I had kept for wraps. I'm going to grate some cheese and keep it in the griller. This you can have it for breakfast, brunch or even dinner. And later in the week I used the soya chunks to prepare pulao and served it along with cucumber raita. We have taken 3 kgs of tomatoes, washed them well, and now I'm going to cut them and put them in the water. Bring it to a boil for a minute. We'll allow it to cool and then transfer it in the mixie, make a paste of it. I'm now going to strain them. We'll discard the skin and seeds. And now I'm going to transfer them in silicone cupcake molds, keep them in the freezer. Now for the next prep, I had some cooked dal. I've transferred them in a bowl. I've added some green chilies, coriander leaves, ajwain, salt as per taste, sesame seeds. I'm going to mix it and then add water little by little, make a dough of it and keep it in the fridge. Now I've taken the biscuit peanut mixture and it turned out a beautiful chocolate fudge. This is also a must-try recipe. If you try any of these ideas, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear how it turned out for you. Now I'm going to place these tomato cubes in a Ziploc bag and keep it in the freezer. Whenever you want to make soup, curry, dal, you can just take 1 cube and add to it. It is a perfect portion. And now these kebabs, I'm going to transfer them in a container. Place a parchment paper and then keep the rest of the kebabs. Keep it in the freezer. Whenever you want to use it, just take them out, thaw them and you can use it. And that's a wrap for today's meal prep. See you in the next one. Until then, happy cooking!